I'm going to share hamburger menu tutorial that is known as the left and right menu tutorial. So let's start a new project. Now select empty activity. Now uncheck this backward compatibility. Now the project is created. Now you can see all the files over here, and this is the main activity and all the stuff like layouts something. So we need to integrate the 2 and 3 files like let me create. I have already collected images. Oh, just a second. I need a slider.java, sorry, a slider.jar file. So let me put it libs folder. This is our main project root directory, and let me go to the app folder and then put slider.jar file in libs folder. So let's include that library in build.gradle compile.files apps app libs src slider.jar. Now sync the project. Meanwhile, let me find out the images for the hamburger icon. I have already some icons in my old project, so let me find out. Just a second, I have here. Yeah, I have two icons, so let me replace here in drawable folder. Now the library is synced successfully, so let me create a header with hamburger icon. That is header. Now replace linear layout with relative. Now put a hamburger button. Width is becomes a 40 dp. Top margin is 10 dp. The left margin is also 10 dp. Now the background is hamburger icon, okay, and the ID is button hamburger menu. Now you can see the design here. Let me change the background color so we can see it easily. Now you can see the hamburger icon. Now let me include that hamburger icon in home activity, that is the main activity. Now remove these padding. Include that header, layout header. Width is match parent and height is 50 dp. So now you can see the header. This is the header, so let's make it 60 dp. Now we have to create left menu, that is known as hamburger menu. Left menu. Now I'm going to create two options here. So let's make it relative layout. I'm going to create two buttons. Transparent and height is 50 dp. ID is for button first. Title is text first activity. Now text color is white. Now let me create one more button. We can copy paste here. Now this is the second button. We need to keep it below the first button. We need to do top margin little bit, 20 dp. Now you can see the design. This is the first and second, and let me fix the width of this left menu. So we can keep it a standard high width, that is 280 dp. So now let's come on main.java. Now we need to create simple side drawer, that we can say hamburger menu, and we have to create one more view. Now let's come here. Hamburger. Now we have to set the left menu, set left dot layout dot left view. Now we have to assign the left view in hamburger view equal to hamburger menu dot get left behind it. Okay. Now we have to create action for hamburger icon, that is we can say that is this one. So let's create the ID of that button. We can see in header the ID of button is button hamburger menu. So let's create action for this button. Set on click listener. Now on click open the left menu, so we can check if it is already open, then we have to close it. So hamburger menu is closed, then we have to open. otherwise we have to close it. Now this is the first step. Now we have, let me run, you will see the project. Now you can see the output screen here. The output screen is here. Now you can see this is the first activity and the second activity, and then when you will click on it will open. Now we have to remove this action bar, so let me create a style. So let me include that style in manifest. So now you can see the output here. Now you can see the action bar is removed. So now let me put the action for first activity and second activity. So you can put many more left items. So I have give example only for 2 items. So let me put actions for these 2 items. So let me create first and second activity. So create empty activity. You can see the first activity, remove backward compatibility. Let me create one more activity. Second activity. Sorry. Now go to the XML. So you can see put a text view, match parent, gravity is center, and text is first activity. You can keep background color so you can see it easily. Let me create the same for an second activity. Change the name, second activity. So now put action for the first and second activity in man activity. Now let's come get the view first and second view. So first of all, see the left menu's button ID, the button first and button second. So find out these 2 buttons in activity. Now button first, you can find out hamburger view dot find view by ID button first. You can keep the same for second. Now you can make a variable for second. Now you have to set the listener for both. Button first, set on click, new on click. Now you can start new activity, man activity dot this first activity dot class. Now you have to do for the same second button. Now let me run the project. You will see the output here. Now you can see the left menu. When you will click on first item, then it will, sorry, I have to replace second button. Okay, mistake by copy paste. So let me run it again. Now let me open the first activity. Actually, let me stop. Might be it's not compiled well. Now this is the first activity. Now you can keep header for the first activity and then you can put back button, otherwise you can press this back button. And the same for the second activity, you can put the many more items on the left menu and you can put action according to that. So this is the hamburger icon. You can keep title over here. So this is the hamburger tutorial. Hope you will like it and you will subscribe my channel. And if you want to update on mobiles like Android, iPhone, Swift, then please subscribe my channel. I will update lots of videos. Thank you. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you.